GitHub, create a branch. 1. Click the code tab of your Hello World repository. So we're going to our GitHub website. Here I'm gonna go to my Hello YouTube World repository. So click the code tab of your Hello World repository to click the drop down at the top of the file list that says main. So we're going here where it says code. We click where it says main and it says find or create a branch. So 3. Type a branch name, read -edit into the text box. So we're gonna copy his name and readme -edits. Okay. 4. Click create branch, readme -edits from main. So create branch, okay, readme -edits from main. I'm gonna do that. Okay, it's loading. Branch created. So now I have two branches. I have the main branch and then I have the readme -edits. Now you have two branches, main and readme -edits. Right now they look exactly the same. Next, you'll add changes to the new branch, making and committing changes. Okay, here when you created a new branch in the previous step, GitHub brought you to the code page for your new readme edits branch, which is a copy of main. You can make and save changes to the files in the repository. On GitHub, saved changes are called commits. Each commit has an associated commit message, which is a description explaining why a particular change was made. Commit messages capture the history of your changes so that other contributors can understand what you've done and why. So here we have 1. Under the readme-edits branch you created, click the readme.md file. So it's gonna be okay, readme.md file, this one. Hello YouTube world. Okay. 2. Click the pencil icon to edit the file. Where is the pencil icon so we can edit here? Hello YouTube world, my first repository. Okay. In the editor, write a bit about yourself. Try using different markdown elements. 4. In the commit changes box, write a commit message that describes your changes. Click commit changes. So in number 3, in the editor, write a bit about yourself. So in the editor, well, let's say my first repository, making and committing changes. So we're gonna type in making a commit, making a commit. Okay. Then in the commit changes box, write a commit message that describes your changes. So commit, okay, here add an optional extended description. In the commit changes box, write a commit message that describes your changes. Okay, change to my repo. Okay, and then click commit changes. Now we click this green button, commit changes. Okay, so my first repository, I added this, making a commit, and then I added the making changes. So if we go again, into the pencil icon. Here I have in my edit file I made making a commit, and in my commit changes I added what it was. No, it's not. Okay, so these changes will be made only to the readme file on your readme-edit branch. So now this branch contains content that's different from main. Okay, alright, so opening a pull request. Now that you have changes in a branch of main, you can open a pull request. Pull requests are the heart of collaboration in GitHub. When you open a pull request, you're proposing your changes and requesting that someone review and pull in your contribution and merge them into their branch. Pull requests show differences of the content from both branches. The changes, additions, and subtractions are shown in different colors. So here, as soon as you make a commit, you can open a pull request and start a discussion even before the code is finished. By using GitHub's add mention feature in your pull request message, you can ask for feedback from specific people or teams, whether they're down the hall or 10 time zones away. You can even open pull requests in your own repository and merge them yourself. It's a great way to learn the GitHub flow before working on larger projects.